Hi everyone, today will be one more makeup story, and my last days I truly start to like a green color, and I want to do some green makeups because I have an inspiration for this color. And let's start with our makeup. I remind you that all product list which I use on myself, even if I will not announce it in video, you can find in the list. So just open it and check all products I used. So let's start. First of all, I apply beige gel under my brow with green color gel. I create like a smoky eye. After, with MAC pigment in a Naked, I fix all my underbrow zone. And next, what we will do from Huda Beauty, this yellowish color we have to apply above our crease to create this transaction. And after, with a mix of these two colors, I want to make my crease line deeper. Next color I take, it will be clean green color, and this one is from Makeup for Life brand. Next, what I will do is a green pencil from MAC in name Minted. I will apply it first probably under my lower lash line, and I will create like a base for all my lower lash line shape. And you can see that I drop this shape pretty low. Now I will fix it with a green color. With a yellow color, I lightly connect this outer corner. Next step, with a gel in number 82, I create this inner corner color. Also, I applied pretty white. And I fix it with Inglot pigment in number 112. So this is my final look, and you see that we receive very colorful, very vibrant makeup. I don't know, I just want to play with colors. Probably I will do a few next videos. It's some neutrals for people who do not want to see so intense makeup. So you can see that if you know how to work with gel, it's pretty simple and fast work with colors. I truly like this on photos, and I hope that on photos we will see all this highlight, all these undertones which I use for now. On my lips I apply some lip pencil in nudish color and some lipstick from MAC in name Hue. So you can find some close-up pictures in my Instagram. And I think that is all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all comments and for people who are following me. And subscribe, ring the bell and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.